Comment nous y est? Bienvenue à la chaîne YouTube préférée nous. Hello! Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Hola! Bienvenido à ton canal de YouTube favorito. Salut! Bienvenue à votre chaîne de YouTube préférée.
Hello, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Konprann. My name is Lionel or LP. In today's video, we're going to talk about the plural form of Haitian words. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Sans perdre du temps, on entre tout droit dans le sujet. Let's go! En allez!
L'enfant, Kreyòl la sérive, non tout qu'un arbre. J'en mets nos situations plein, tout bout, qui est grand.
Hello, once again, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lionel or LP. If you've been watching us, remember rule number 1, all letter sounds count. And if it's your first time, please see our first video on the playlist. With that being said, we do not use S or any letter or anything to mark the plural form in Haitian. It would have been so funny, or it would more likely sound like Spanish or anything else than French. I don't know. But look, if I like saying, for example, something that I have to use any marker, anything to indicate the plural, and it would sound, for example, with the S like that. En pile mouns te passé avec un pile gros zams. Yo tire un pile balles et fait un pile gros trousse ou tous nan kais yo. Not Kreyòl at all. So the rule is that simple. There's no indication grammatically in Haitian to indicate the plural. The context and what we're talking about will determine if we are talking about more than one object or subject. So instead of saying un pile moun te passé ak gros zams, yo tire un pile balles, gros tous ou gros tous pété nan kais yo, we would say, en pile moun te passé à gros zam. Yo tire en pile balle et gros tout pété dans kayo. Well, there is one exception. Like in any words, you know, there's always exception. So there is one word. Whenever we say it, we know we're not talking about a single subject. It has to be more than one. Mesdames. Mesdames, right? Mesdames. N'est-ce pas, mesdames? Whenever we say mesdames, we're talking about women. Not one lady or one woman, we're talking about women. Mesdames.
Now, let's see some examples.
A man, young garçon, man, garçon. Or garçon yo, we're gonna use yo depending on what you're trying to say, but it remains garçon. Plusieurs propriétaires business, many business owners. Jojo gen plusieurs ménages. Jojo gen plusieurs ménages. Jojo has many girlfriends. Well, we have a little expression for you with the plural context, and it is like we say, au pluriel, mama. Au pluriel, mama.
You wanna know what that is?
Comment down below. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Moun yo ki ba abone ya, se kopon yo ba kopon sa ki abone ya. Abone se subscribe. Lewe si rating la, se pou peze, apre sa ou deja abone. Apre sa wap wè tout lot an video ki poste ya. Bye guys, I love you. Maman. See you in the next video.